How to plan electrical outlets. Design your home with precision. Room-specific placement. Think about where you use devices most. Bedrooms, kitchens, and living areas need strategic placements. Capacity considerations. Areas with high appliance usage like the kitchen should have dedicated outlets to avoid overloading. Smart solutions. Consider USB integrated outlets or hidden wiring for a sleek look. Safety standards. Use GFCI outlets in moisture-prone areas for added protection. Ensure your home is both beautiful and functional with smart electrical outlet planning.